don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share my channel around. So I'm just going to do a quick little garden tour here, how things have been progressing. It's the end of May. Hopefully by the time I get this posted, it might be the first week of June, so you guys can see how things are going. Got some Egyptian walking onions here. I've picked a few already, they're doing well. I might just cut some of the tops off here so that we can just sell some just as greens. And here I transplanted some beets, and they're coming along slowly. Just did them last week and transplanted some sad looking romaine. They should perk up fairly soon, I hope. I got some, what kind of garlic was this again? Oh, Spanish Rosa. Bought this from a farm down in, by the blueberry farm where I go picking. It's looking a little yellow, so I'm hoping it'll come back nicely. It should be fine. They were small bulbs in the first place. But this is the other garlic I have. This is the stuff that I've been saving seed from for years. It's looking amazing. Just come along so well. Pretty excited about that. Look at that goodness. I've already got people wanting to buy my garlic, so it's gonna be a good year for selling that. Over here we got some beets I planted the other day. They're starting to slowly come up. I never have good luck with germination with beets. I don't know why. I've been out here watering every single day. Hopefully, I think that's part of the problem. They need water like carrots. Over here we got carrots. They're not coming up yet, but I've just got them watered really well. My asparagus is doing amazing. I've been picking lots every single day. A lot of it's going to seed, some of the skinnier stuff. Asparagus, you basically turn your back, come back the next day, and it's got exploded everywhere. So it's hard to keep on top of it. But as you can see, here you go, there's a nice big one coming up. This is some of the smaller ones I planted. They probably have another year to go before I can pick those. And then over here, just off the bed, I transplanted some more Salanova here. They're looking kind of sad. They've been in for about 3 days. So I gave them really good watering today. I need to finish this bed off with Salanova once I get more. I've got about 3 trays at home right now. I'm just waiting to get big enough. And my other old garlic here is going along really well. And then, oh yeah, at the ends of my beds I always plant squashes with marigold to help with cucumber squash. Got some over here too. Oh yeah, my hugelkultur bed over there. Lots of tomatoes planted. I always forget about that, it's in the back corner. Here I've got some more baby mixed greens. They're just starting to come up now. And I planted more Hackaway turnips here. Some of them are coming up, but the flea beetle are just eating them all. So annoying. Okay, we'll take you over to the other part here and see what we've got going. My uncle's got tons of stuff going in his plots here too. He's got radishes, some nice lettuces down there, onions. He does his onions from sets, not seeds. Our rhubarb's coming along nicely. Usually one of the first things that comes up in the garden. And then over here, I've got some more beets planted. I'm really trying to grow beets this year. I just never have good luck, like I said, so I'm focused on trying to win it over and show them that I can grow them. I got some onions coming back from last year. They're going to seed, but I just keep cutting the seed pods off, so I'll harvest those in a few days for green onions. This bed was spotty. I planted this second week of April when it was warm. They got cold. These 3 beds of spinach, they're pretty sad looking. But I'll harvest what I can in the next few days. Probably crop it out and get some more stuff planted. This is another sad bed of spinach. So I planted some beans in here the other day since spinach is useless. I've got my radishes, they're coming along. Another bed of Salanova. Another bed of Salanova. Another bed of Salanova. That's one of my biggest sellers, so planting a lot of that. Over here, I just took the boards off the carrots. They're starting to come up, hard to see. So I just really well water these today so that they come up nicely. A bed of onions. These are from seed, transplanted. Some more baby mixed greens in here. They're coming along nicely. Another bed of baby mixed greens. Over here, more onions. They're this bed, I don't know why, they're kind of sad looking over here. A lot of them have died off. Transplants. I always have a hard time getting good strong onions, but they usually work well. Over here, some more squash. I got some romaine lettuces. They're finally coming up after being in here for a week and a half. And then more. I got some shallots here and the big Kelsey onions, the big ones that are like the size of grapefruits. And my far bed here This was a mess this spring. I had to weed it out really well, and horsetails keep coming back. But anyways, I got some zucchinis in here, squashes, a whole bunch of tomatoes, and more stuff at the end. My blueberry bushes are looking really well this year. I put a whole bunch of pine needles between them just to try to keep the weeds down. And over here, last 4 beds. Did potatoes in here. You've probably seen the video already, planting potatoes with my beans to see if that helps with the potato bugs. But the beans are coming up already, which is awesome. And some of the potatoes are slowly coming up too. I have to get some compost and top them off quickly here. And over here I've got some red sails, lettuce, more red sails, my peas. These ones I transplanted, they're kind of coming along slowly. The ones that I planted from seed are looking nice. More onions at the far end. And some baby dinosaur kale right now. It's looking kind of sad. Who knows if it will grow. It looks like it's getting eaten. But not many people are a fan of kale from what I've seen. So whatever, it's all good. So there you go guys, a quick end of May I guess, update on the garden. Hope you enjoy that. Let me know how your gardens are progressing this season. I'd love to see what you're doing. If you guys have a YouTube channel, let me know. Post a link so I can check it out. Love seeing what everyone else is doing. So happy gardening guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and happy gardening. We'll see you out there.